pagdating ho, Governor, dito po sa ating eskwelahan, ano-ano ho ba ang kumbaga ay naging katugunan ng
okay.
atin pong Senador Erwin Tulfo?
Naisama na raw niya sa GAA.
Okay.
And ayoko lang banggitin muna yung mga location. Kasi ang nahihingi ko sa kanya yan is about more than 20 sites. Merong repair, merong new school buildings. At siya rin mismo, nangako si Senator na every year bibigyan ko na kayo ng mga schools.
Ayun.
And these are, merong 3 floors, merong 2 floors. So, palagi ko naman, the next, sabi nga niya sa atin he'll be there until 2031 pa. So kung taon-taon, bibigyan niya tayo ng ganong karami. Imagine kung bigyan lang niya tayo ng 150 million sa isang taon. Then easily, sa 6 na taon, aabot tayo ng 1 billion na bagong eskwelahan. At saka repair. Yeah.
So in short, Governor, nakita nyo mismo yung kakulangan din talaga ng
yes,
mga
yes,
yung importante rin ho yung rehabilitation, Governor.
Yes, repair.
Repair.
Oo, kasi madadaanan ko nga ngayon, di ba, pag nagta-travel ako, nakikita ko yung mga bubong ng ating mga school na talaga namang kailangan ng maisaayos. At saka malagyan natin ng mga insulation sana, insulator. Kasi may mga schools tayo na panahon pa ni, would you believe, panahon pa ni President Marcos.
Oo.
Pero come to think of it, those are simple school buildings pero hanggang ngayon nandyan. Yun na lang, kailangan na lang ng mga refurbishment. Pero imagine, 1960s, 1970s, buhay pa yung schools. Konting siguro konting repair, konting dagdag. Yun.
Governor, ipakipaliwanag naman sa amin, paano kayo biglang nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na andyan dumating si Senator Tulfo? Ikaw ba'y nagsadya sa kanila para inimbitahan siya na bumisita dito, or it was the good senator who initiated na, hey, Governor Mel, I will be visiting your province soon. And finally, nangyari nga noong Huwebes.
Pwede nating sabihin, he's a long-time friend and acquaintance.
Okay.
So madali na sa amin yung, kaya nga pagdating niya sa airport, pare, hindi ko akalain na I'll be here and you're also now a senator.
Oo nga.
So kung gusto mong marinig yung mga schools na inuna nating mabigyan, gusto mong basahin ko?
Sige po, Governor.
Okay. Fort Cuatis Elementary School, sabihin na natin, pero ito, these are submitted sites, proposal. Hindi naman baka marinig nila tapos sabihin hindi na ibigay ka agad. Sabihin, sinungaling si Govmel. Para lang po ito masabi natin na my heart is in this sites na talagang mga kailangan talaga ito doon sa mga lugar na yan. So nakita natin talagang they need repairs, they need new school buildings. So unahin ko na ito. Sa Cuatis Elementary School, Barangay Mansiga, Gasan, is a 4 classroom ang naka-schedule. Mansiga Elementary School, Barangay Mansiga, Gasan is 10 classrooms. We have Buwak South Central School, that is 16 classrooms. Celso Mataak, Elementary School, Barangay Pugtoy is 5 classroom. But I think it's yung nakalinya na sa amin noon. Dito lang sa province, meron tayong nakalaan dyan na 4 classroom.
Okay.
Tama-tama lang pala talaga maging national high school na yan. Puyog Elementary School, Barangay Buwak, it's 5 classrooms. We have Ilaya National High School, Barangay Balimbing, Buwak is 6 classrooms. Maligaya Elementary School, Barangay Maligaya, Buwak is 4 classrooms. And Labo Elementary School in Santa Cruz is 6 classrooms. Tambangan Elementary School, Barangay Tambangan, Santa Cruz is 5 classrooms. Hupi Elementary School, Barangay Hupi, Santa Cruz is 5 classrooms. Kaigangan Elementary School, Barangay Kaigangan, Buenavista is 8 classrooms. And Buenavista Central School, Barangay Uno, Buenavista is 5 classrooms. La Mesa Elementary School, Barangay La Mesa, Mugpog is 5 classrooms. These are for repairs, para maiano natin. Ang mga bagong classroom naman are this, Argao National High School, 2-story, 4 classroom.
Wow.
Kasi kailangan daw nila ng mga pang senior high schools ba or something like that. Ipil National High School is 2-story, 4 classroom din. And Bambangalon Elementary School, 2-story, 4 classroom. Initial, these are the initials ni Senator Tulfo na naipasa na niya. Sabi niya, boss, may isasama ko sa gaayan. So,
Okay.
thank you so much.